हेलो दोस्तों, पी के स्मार्ट मोटिवेशन की एक नई वीडियो में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। तो चले वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
The situation in the Red Sea was already explosive full stop, and with the Anglo-American attacks targeting the Houthi movement in Yemen on Thursday, the first shots in a long, ugly war have likely been fired full stop. Soon after, Israel launched its genocidal assault on Gaza following 7th October Hamas raids, the Houthis had promised to block Israeli ships, or those linked to Tel Aviv, from passing through the Red Sea and Bab-ul-Mandeb Strait. In solidarity with Palestine, the Iran-aligned group then delivered on its promise, by raiding vessels and striking others with projectiles, This sent shockwaves throughout the global shipping industry, as the area in focus is a vital maritime corridor, and many leading firms decided to stay away from the Red Sea, In reaction to the Houthi moves, the US assembled a naval coalition of the willing to protect maritime shipping, though this failed to deter the Yemeni group, Thursday's assault, in which several Yemeni targets were hit causing fatalities, is a major escalation, and the Houthis have vowed to hit back, Though the blockade of maritime routes is problematic, the Houthis had said they would cease their actions if the war on Gaza ended, This obviously has not happened, and instead of pressing their Israeli allies to stop the bloodshed, America has put on an ugly display of military power, which has dialed up tensions in the region by several notches, Russia has called the strikes on Yemen illegitimate, while Iran has also condemned them, Moreover, several pro-American Arab states have distanced themselves from the Anglo-US actions, From here, we must prepare to enter the unknown, The world's mightiest military power has taken on a militate belonging to one of the globe's poorest states that has held off the well-armed Saudi military for 9 years, While the Houthis may be allied to Iran, they are masters of their own destiny, and their reaction to the aggression is likely to be unpredictable, One thing is certain, a quick return to the status quo ante in the Middle East is out of the question,
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर लाजमी करें और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दें।